To get the audio feedback features to work for discussions and Dropbox items on a Mac, I was able to successfully get it to open up with Safari. And so the first thing I wanted to do was check for Adobe Flash, because that's one of the first error messages you get when you try to do audio feedback and it won't work. And so I put in Adobe Flash for Mac. And what happened for me when I did that is, and this was earlier today, I got a little message saying that you already have it. You just have to turn it on. And so the way you would do that is you would go up to Safari and you'll go to Preferences, and that's going to bring you to your websites. So the first thing I did earlier today to get this to work is I checked the plugin for Adobe Flash Player because it was turned off when it was inside D2L, and that's what it's calling it here. And then I turned on getadobe.com, but it turned it off, so I'm just going to turn it back on right now. And then I also had to switch this button right here from off to on for students at Desire to Learn. And so after I closed out of that, I went into one of my student parent acknowledgement forms, and then I go down to record audio, and when I click, you can see it's recording. You can see that by the blue over here, recording my voice. And so sometimes you have to check your settings. If you want to set a certain microphone, you need to make sure your settings always say allow and remember. And mine is the Microsoft Live Chat. That is my microphone. And then also when I've run into problems, I've had to allow Adobe to run, but this has really only been in Chrome that I've had to do that. So for today, to get it to work in Safari, I just had to go into Preferences, the websites, and turn on Flash Player. And the reason I had to do that, Adobe told me when I tried to download it again, is because they automatically download it to where you have to turn it on to use it with certain sites and plugins. So that's what I did. I hope this works. Let me know if it doesn't. And if it doesn't, I will continue to troubleshoot and get this going for you.